Hello, viewers. Welcome to English Grammar Test. Test your English skills. You will have 6 seconds to answer the question. Let's start. Best of luck.
Question 1 I have. Mon finished my homework. A. Already. B. Yet. C. Never. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She didn't liked coffee. Question 3. What is the plural form of foot? A. Foots. B. Feet. C. Feets. Question 4. He dashed to school by bicycle every day. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Going. Question 5. Which word means a large group of people? A. Crowd. B. Group. C. Team. Question 6. They dash in the park yesterday. A. Played. B. Playing. C. Play. Question 7. Which is the correct comparative form? A. More happy. B. Happier. C. Happiest. Question 8. The opposite of fast is A. Slow. B. Quickly. C. Soon. Question 9. I dashed to call you last night, but I was busy. A. Want. B. Wanted. C. Wanting. Question 10. She has been working here 5 years. A. Since. B. For. C. At. Question 11. Choose the correct sentence. A. They is going to market. B. They are going to market. C. They be going to market. Question 12. Which word means to look at something carefully? A. Ignore. B. Observe. C. Forget. Question 13. We will go dash, it stops raining. A. After. B. Until. C. Before. Question 14. He dash not like spinach. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. Question 15. What is the opposite of happy? A. Sad. B. Glad. C. Joyful. Question 16. They dash never been to Japan. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. Question 17. Which word means to say something again? A. Repeat. B. Explain. C. Answer. Question 18. I don't have dash money. A. Much. B. Many. C. Some. Question 19. She dash always on time. A. Is. B. RC. Was. Question 20. The baby is sleeping dash. A. Quiet. B. Quietly. C. Quieting. Question 21. He is taller dash his brother. A. Then B. Then C. That. Question 22. We dash to finish the project by Monday. A. Must. B. Can. C. May. Question 23. Which word means very tired? A. Exhausted. B. Excited. C. Energetic. Question 24. I will dash my best to help you. A. Do. B. Make. C. Take. Question 25. What is the past tense of run? A. Runned. B. Ran. C. Running. Question 26. She dash in a bank. A. Work. B. Works. C. Working. Question 27. Which is a synonym of big? A. Small. B. Large. C. Short. Question 28. We are going to the party dash Saturday. A. On. B. In. C. At. Question 29. He is very good dash playing football. A. At. B. On. C. In. Question 30. Choose the correct sentence. A. She have a dog. B. She has a dog. C. She haves a dog. Question 31. What is the antonym of easy? A. Hard. B. Simple. C. Fast. Question 32. They are watching a movie dash. A. Now. B. Yesterday. C. Tomorrow. Question 33. I like to read books dash the evening. A. In. B. On. C. At. Question 34. Which word means to ask for something politely? A. Demand. B. Request. C. Order. Question 35. She dash breakfast every morning. A. Eat. B. Eat. C. Eating. Question 36. I have dash apples in my basket. A. Some. B. Any. C. Much. Question 37. They dashed to the concert last night. A. Go. B. Went. C. Gone. Question 38. He dash his homework before dinner. A. Do. B. Does. C. Did. Question 39. Choose the correct question. A. Where do you live? B. Where you live. C. Where does you live? Question 40. The opposite of cold is A. Hot. B. Warm. C. Cool. Question 41. She dash a new dress yesterday. A. Buy. B. Bought. C. Buys. Question 42. I am looking forward dash meeting you. A. For B. To C. At. Question 43. The sun sets dash the west. A. On. B. In. C. At. Question 44. They dash playing tennis every weekend. A. Enjoy. B. Enjoys. C. Enjoying. Question 45. I dash coffee every morning. A. Drink. B. Drinks. C. Drinking. Question 46. Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't like pizza. B. He doesn't like pizza. C. He didn't liked pizza. Question 47. We dashed dinner at 7 p.m. yesterday. A. Have. B. Had. C. Has. Question 48. Which word means a person who teaches? A. Teacher. B. Doctor. C. Driver. Question 49. She usually dashed to music in the evening. A. Listen. B. Listens. C. Listening. Question 50. I will call you dash I arrive. A. When. B. While. C. Until.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.